Hey, how's it going everyone? Hope everyone is good. In this video, I want to go over a balance in life, right? So it's very important to have a balance in anything you do. Yeah? If you're trading, you need to have a balance in trading, right? You can't always be at the charts all day and all night, right? You need to have a balance because you're going to burn yourself out. You'll start noticing yourself getting fatigued and kind of like bored. Yeah, kind of like bored because if you're doing the same thing again and again and again and again and again, and you're just burning yourself out. So it's all about having a balanced lifestyle and taking it easy, right? So what I mean by a balanced lifestyle is spend some time doing other things. Yeah, spend some time doing other things, like get yourself a hobby. Yeah, one of my hobbies is drone racing. I love my drone. I take it out, at least try to take it out once a day, but it depends on the weather, right? In England the weather here is kind of like up and down, but if it ain't drone racing, then I'll spend time with the family, go and watch a movie. Yeah, and the same with studying. You can't always study and burn yourself out. Yeah, you gotta have a balanced lifestyle, right, and a balanced mindset. Yeah, if you're in a losing streak and your mind is just gonna get all this negative energy, yeah, so you need to channel that energy and look down a different path, right? So when I lose, I close down the computer. Yeah, I don't look at the charts because my energy is already switched over from positive to negative. Yeah, so I close down the computer, go for a little walk. Yeah, because don't forget, yeah, healthy living, right? You got to think about healthy living, eating good food, yeah, drinking the right stuff as well. So what I mean by drinking the right stuff, drinking water. Yeah, it's all about your diet. Yeah, having a healthy diet, drinking water, not sugary stuff, right? Because all this is poison in your body. Yeah, and eating good food, like not so much meat, eating healthy diets, not so much like chocolate, cakes, candy, all this sugar content as well, because it all poisons your mind in the end, right? It poisons your body, then it'll poison your mind. Yeah, so you got to put healthy stuff into your body, right? And it will give you it will give you a boost in your positive energies. Yeah, because if you put in all this junk and all these bad and toxins inside yourself, it's only going to create negative energy, and that build up of negative energy is just going to explode, right? And it'll put you into a bad mindset. Same as smoking. Yeah, if you're smoking and you're smoking intoxicating your mind, you're not going to be in the right mindset. Same as drinking alcohol, for example, right? Same sort of thing. Yeah, you want to channel your energy into something that is going to be a positive for you, right? Yeah, so yeah, have a balanced lifestyle. Don't spend too much time on the charts. Don't spend too much time on study. I said you're just gonna burn yourself out, right? So a healthy mind and a healthy body is what we need in this game. Yeah, because this game is just psychologically messed up. Yeah, so you're gonna have your own mind. Yeah, you got to trade against your own mind. Yeah, playing chess against your own mind. Then you got to play chess against the brokers, right? Then you got the strategy to think about. Then you got money to think about as well. So it's not just one thing. Yeah, it's not just your own mindset. There's a whole collective aspect to it, right? And that's what I mean by you have to live a healthy lifestyle. Yeah, look good and feel good. Yeah, if you feel good from the inside, it will manifest to the outside, right? And you start looking good. Yeah, So it's just getting into a routine, right? So break away from any habits. So break away from any habits. It will take up to 30 days to get into a good routine, yeah. But start getting into a routine of like going to a gym, maybe taking a walk every day, yeah. Even if it's an hour a day or 30 minutes a day, yeah. Just go for a little walk, get some fresh air, get the blood pumping in your system, right? You want new fresh blood pumping in your system. That's gonna up your system, right? And if you're keeping healthy, then you won't get ill so much as well, yeah. So you can't afford to have all these illnesses and all this obesity, diabetes, all this. You don't really need all this stress. It's added stress. The only person that's giving you this added stress is yourself, right? I know some of us are lazy, we can't be bothered, we want the easy life, but you have to work hard for it. You have to work hard at anything you do, yeah. And it's important to have that healthy lifestyle. So even if you just join up the gym and do 1 day a week, yeah, it's a start, you know. You only have to join the gym. Like I said, go for a little run or go for a walk. Start doing some exercises in your house. But get out, get the fresh air, yeah, see nature, yeah, and get yourself in tune with nature, right? You meditate, pray. It's all these, you see, with your mind, right? Your mind can only handle to a certain extent before it starts unleashing, right? Before it starts manifesting into whatever madness you have inside of your mind, right? So that's why you have to release it at times, yeah. Some of you think I'm talking all this madness, but for real, like think about it, yeah. Think about your mindset, your mind state as well, yeah, because you want to be taking good choices in life, right? Even if it's not trading, even if it's just anything, you want to be making good choices, and you gotta have a clear mind to make a good choice, yeah. And if you're intoxicated, how are you making good choices? You're not, you know what I mean? So I know I see some guys out there, they're smoking blunts, right? And they're trying to trade, yeah. And and yeah, you're gonna make mistakes. You end up seeing like you end up putting silly positions on, and you end up putting silly positions on, right? And it's just it's I know, like, because I used to smoke myself, right? And it's only when I started getting a bit serious into this, into myself, right? Started looking after myself, eating good, healthy vibes, right? And I stopped smoking, right? And it was probably one of the best things I've done in my life, yeah. But yeah, because now I can just think clearly, right? I can see things clearly, yeah. Because like I said, it's all up in your mind. Anything you do is all in your mind. So that's where you want to be looking after, right? And yeah, you want to be going down that route of having a balance. That's what I'm saying. If you're overworking yourself, you're just gonna burn yourself out. And I see a lot of guys, right? They take all these courses within 3 months' time. They study every single day. Yeah, don't give themselves rest. And by that 3 months' time, they burn themselves out. And I said to them, you need to take it easy, man. Relax. Yeah, there's no rush. Yeah, there's no rush in life. Like, when it's your time to make your money, it will be time for you to take your money, you know? So right now, yeah, if I want to make £1,000,000, will I get £1,000,000 by today? Probably not, because it's not my time to take £1,000,000 right now. Yeah, just be patient. Yeah, eventually that's my target, right? That'll be my first target. One of my first targets will be £1,000,000. Yeah, and I can see that target being real as well, but I won't get it today. I'll get it over a period of time. Yeah, so I'm patient. Yeah, so in this game as well, you have to learn patience. Yeah, you need to learn to be patient and wait for the good things in life, right? Nothing's gonna happen overnight. Yeah, that's a lot of people. They forget this. Yeah, they think, oh yeah, I'm gonna be rich overnight. No, you're not, man. Learn to be patient. Yeah, there's a lot more people worse off out there, right? So just be humble and learn to be patient and to wait for things. Yeah, that's one of the things that I've learned in life as well. You know, I've gone out there, I've gone out on road, right, and I'm trying to make peace, but sometimes them peace just don't come. You know, so you have to be patient and wait. Yeah, and don't force it. Yeah, because you'll start making mistakes. You need to analyze and think about your moves before you start doing all these things. Yeah, so yeah, have a think about it and go from there. You know, set yourself out a routine. Yeah, write in a little diary. I don't know, like an hour study. Yeah, 3 hours on the chart. Have a rest. Go gym. Yeah, have like a little recipes, fish, rice, all the good stuff. Yeah, veg. Yeah, salad. Yeah, all the stuff that's healthy for you. Yeah, cut out all like the bad stuff, all the sugary stuff like Coke or Fanta and like chicken and chips. Like, yeah, alright, cool. It's cool for a treat, but eating that day in and day out, bro, you're just intoxicating yourself again. Like all that goes into your blood, and the blood will circulates around inside you. So like I said, you need to just think about these things. You know, like a lot of people, they don't educate you on healthy lifestyles. Yeah, you want to be like the professionals, then act like a professional, right? I know some of you might not have steak and lobster just yet, but give it time, bro. You know, you evolve to it. So take your time and you'll get there. Alright? I hope you can take something away and start a hobby. Yeah, don't sit in front of the computers all day, yeah. Go and do something. Yeah. Even if it's just like going to see a friend. Yeah, go and socialize with other people, because a lot of people nowadays, yeah, they don't go and see each other. I see a lot of people just sitting at home these days, just day in day out, and not getting out. You see, look, I'm out today, yeah. I'm gonna go out. I'm probably gonna do a little bit of shopping or something. Go and see, and then probably go and see like some family, and that's it. I relax. I don't need to be on the computers all day. You know what I mean? Alright, stay locked, and I'll see you soon.